Now I am going to start another class on integral calculus, definite integral, and I am repeatedly in my all online classes, live classes, I am always saying or always remembering, if any student feel any difficulties, they join my online classes. Also for revision for this, they can go through the BTS by test series, because at a minimum cost they are giving the integral calculus. So it will be revision and easy for practice also. Now problem number 1 for this class. Now 1 for this class, that is equal to integration, prove that is prove that 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x, log 1 plus 10x, log 1 plus 10x into dx, it is proved that, so result is to be pi by 8 log 2, log 2. So now that is answer. Let, or we can write, let I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x into dx. 10 we are marking as 1, marking as 1. Then we can write 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, and the last class I have also written this, since 0 that is equal to 0 to a, 0 to a, 0 to a, fx dx can be written as 0 to a, can be written 0 to a f a minus x into dx, x into dx. So we can write this one log 1 plus 10x can be written as 10 pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus x, then dx, So it can be written as 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, that is we can write 1 plus 10a minus 10b, that 10a minus 10b. What is 10a? 10 pi by 4 means 1 minus 10b, 10a minus 1 minus 10a minus b equal to 10a minus 10b, then 1 plus 10a 1 10b, 10a minus b equal to 10a minus b equal to 10a minus 10b, 1 plus 10a 10b, also 10 pi by 4 equal to 1, 10 pi by 4 equal to 1, we are placing it in bracket, and thereafter we are writing the I equal to I equal to 0 by